Hello everyone, this is Himani, your educator, and I welcome you all to Arpita Sharma classes. This is another important lecture in the series of important international organizations, and this is going to be very important for the prelims as well as for the mains. Here is a small announcement for you before we begin. You can subscribe to Arpita Sharma classes for daily Hindu analysis, economics MCQ series, Indian polity classes, strategy related classes for UPSC CSE and much more. You can also join our Telegram channel which is simplifying UPSC with ease for class updates and notes. Also, Arpita Sharma ma'am is taking live classes on Unacademy Plus. You can use the referral code SharmaYT10 to get up to 10% discount. This is the code for today. Be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough. So today we are going to be learning about the International Monetary Fund, IMF. When was the year of formation? It was formed on 27th December 1945 and headquarters are in Washington DC, United States of America. The head organizing body is the UN, United Nations. IMF was formed in 1944 at the Bretton Woods Conference. So IMF came into operation on 27th December 1945. As we saw here, year of formation was 27th December 1945. Initially, there were 29 countries with the goal of redoing the global payment system. Initially 29 countries थी जिनको पूरा जो global payment system था उसको redo करना था. Members were 189 and the IMF focuses on fostering global monetary cooperation, securing financial stability, promoting international trade, employment and economic growth. Employment and economic growth को promote करना, उस पे focus है IMF का. International trade को promote करना, financial stability को secure करना और मॉनेटरी कोऑपरेशन को प्रमोट करना. These are the focus areas of IMF. Formation of IMF, the breakdown of the international monetary cooperation during the Great Depression led to the development of IMF, which aimed at improving the economic growth and reducing poverty around the world. तो जब इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी कोऑपरेशन का ब्रेकडाउन हुआ ग्रेट डिप्रेशन के बाद में, उसके बाद आईएमएफ ने एम किया कि वो इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ को बढ़ाएगा, इंप्रूव करेगा और रिड्यूस करेगा पॉवर्टी को अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. द आईएमएफ वाज इनिशियली फॉर्म्ड एट द ब्रेटन वुड्स कॉन्फ्रेंस इन 1944. इनिशियली ब्रेटन वुड्स कॉन्फ्रेंस बना 1944 में and 45 government representatives were present at the conference to discuss a framework for post-war international economic cooperation. जब ब्रेटन वुड्स कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ 1944 में आफ्टर द वर्ल्ड वॉर 2, वहां पे 45 गवर्नमेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स प्रेजेंट थे और उन्होंने एक फ्रेमवर्क डिस्कस किया कि पोस्ट वॉर इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक कोऑपरेशन कैसे होना चाहिए. IMF became operational 27 December 1945. This we know, with 29 member countries who agreed to bound to this treaty. तो जब 27 दिसंबर 1945 को IMF ऑपरेशनल हुआ तो 29 मेंबर कंट्रीज ने अग्री किया कि वो इस ट्रीटी से खुद को बाइंड करना चाहते हैं. इट बिगेन इट्स फाइनेंशियल ऑपरेशंस ऑन 1 मार्च 1947. IMF is regarded as a key organization of international economic system which focuses on rebuilding the international capital along with maximizing the national economic sovereignty and human welfare. एक तो वो इंटरनेशनल कैपिटल को रीबिल्ड करना चाहता है IMF और नेशनल इकोनॉमिक सॉवरेनिटी को प्रमोट करना चाहता है प्लस द ह्यूमन वेलफेयर. Organizational structure of the IMF. The United Nations is the parent organization that handles the proper functioning and administration of the IMF. IMF is headed by the managing director who is elected by the executive board for 5-year term of office. IMF हेड कौन करता है? मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर हेड करता है, जो कि एक एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड सिलेक्ट करता है फॉर 5-year term. 5 ईयर के टर्म के लिए इलेक्ट किया जाता है मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर को. And the International Monetary Fund consists of the Board of Governors, Ministerial Committees and Executive Board. Now let's look at them. Board of Governors क्या है? Each governor of the Board of Governors is appointed by the respective member country. तो जितने भी गवर्नर्स हैं इस Board of Governors में, इस बोर्ड में जितने भी गवर्नर्स हैं, वो उन सबको respective member country ने इलेक्ट किया है, अपॉइंट किया है. इलेक्ट्स और अपॉइंट्स एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर्स टू द एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड. तो ये बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर का काम क्या है? ये लोग इलेक्ट करते हैं या अपॉइंट करते हैं एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर्स को जो एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड में काम करते हैं. बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर्स इज एडवाइज्ड बाय द इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी एंड फाइनेंशियल कमिटी एंड डेवलपमेंट कमिटी. तो बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर्स को एडवाइस कौन करता है? IMFC, विच इज द इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी एंड फाइनेंशियल कमिटी एंड डेवलपमेंट कमिटी. ये एडवाइस करते हैं बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर्स को. An annual meetup between the Board of Governors and the World Bank Group is conducted during the IMF World Bank annual meetings to discuss the work of their respective institutions. तो जो भी एनुअल मीटअप होता है बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर्स का वर्ल्ड बैंक के साथ, वहां पर ये लोग अपना काम डिस्कस करते हैं. कौन सी मीटिंग में होता है ये? IMF वर्ल्ड बैंक एनुअल मीटिंग में डिस्कस होता है. सेकेंड थिंग इज द मिनिस्टेरियल कमिटीज. इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फाइनेंशियल कमिटी, दिस इज द फर्स्ट कमिटी, एंड द डेवलपमेंट कमिटी. ये दोनों कमिटीज हैं. इनका काम क्या है? दे मैनेज द इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी एंड फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम. दे अमेंड द आर्टिकल्स ऑफ अग्रीमेंट टू सॉल्व द इश्यूज ऑफ डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज दैट आर रिलेटेड टू इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट. ओके. The next thing is the executive board. It has 24 members on the board which discuss all the aspects of the funds. सारे aspects को discuss करते हैं ये लोग. 24 member board जो है executive board है. And the board normally makes decisions based on consensus, but sometimes formal votes are taken. ज्यादातर consensus based है, लेकिन कभी-कभी vote से भी काम किया जाता है यहाँ पे. Objectives of the IMF: to improve and promote global monetary cooperation of the world, to secure financial stability, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 के बाद हुआ तो फाइनेंशियली स्टेबल नहीं था वर्ल्ड, सो दैट्स व्हाई टू प्रमोट द फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी IMF को फॉर्म किया गया बाय एलिमिनेटिंग और मिनिमाइजिंग द एक्सचेंज रेट स्टेबिलिटी, टू फैसिलिटेट अ बैलेंस्ड इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड, promoting high employment through economic assistance and sustainable economic growth to reduce the poverty around the world. Functions of the IMF. IMF mainly focuses on supervising the international monetary system. International monetary system को supervise करता है, mainly focus इस पे है, along with providing credits to the member country. member countries को credit चाहिए होता है तो भी IMF provide करता है. Main 3 टाइप के functions होते हैं. First one is the regulatory function. IMF functions as a regulatory body, and as per the rules of articles of agreement, it also focuses on administering a code of conduct for exchange rate policies and restrictions on payments for current account transaction. IMF एक रेगुलेटरी बॉडी की तरह भी काम करता है, क्योंकि ये कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट प्रोवाइड करता है जो कि गवर्न करेगा एक्सचेंज रेट पॉलिसीज को, और ये रिस्ट्रिक्शंस भी लगा सकता है पेमेंट्स पे रिस्ट्रिक्शन भी लगा सकता है, जो कि करंट अकाउंट ट्रांजैक्शंस में हम लोग पेमेंट करते हैं. करंट अकाउंट ट्रांजैक्शंस क्या है? वाइल डूइंग द ट्रेड, वाइल इंडल्जिंग इन ट्रेड विद एनी कंट्री विद ईच अदर, दे हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द पेमेंट्स, और वो पेमेंट्स को के ऊपर रिस्ट्रिक्शन भी लगा सकता है IMF. और जो कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट है एक्सचेंज रेट पॉलिसीज को, वो भी IMF प्रोवाइड करेगा. सो दैट मीन्स रेगुलेटरी फंक्शंस भी है IMF के. सेकंड थिंग इज द फाइनेंशियल फंक्शंस. IMF provides financial support and resources to the member countries to meet short-term and medium-term BOP disequilibrium. अगर ये बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट में डिसइक्विलिब्रियम आता है किसी भी कंट्री के साथ, कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है बिकॉज ऑफ द ट्रेड ऑपरेशंस एंड BOP क्राइसिस, तो IMF फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड कर सकता है उस कंट्री को, रिसोर्सेज प्रोवाइड कर सकता है उस कंट्री को शॉर्ट टर्म एंड मीडियम टर्म. थर्ड थिंग इज द कंसल्टेटिव फंक्शंस. इसमें क्या करता है? IMF इज अ सेंटर फॉर इंटरनेशनल कोऑपरेशन फॉर अ नंबर ऑफ कंट्रीज. इट ऑल्सो एक्ट्स एज अ सोर्स ऑफ काउंसिल एंड टेक्निकल असिस्टेंस. तो कोई टेक्निकल असिस्टेंस चाहिए, कोई काउंसलिंग चाहिए, किसी भी चीज में, किसी भी मैटर में एडवाइस चाहिए, सो वहां पे कंसल्टेटिव फंक्शंस भी प्रोवाइड करता है IMF टू द मेंबर कंट्रीज. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. Things which are not covered in the topics I have provided will be covered in these questions. Which of the following statement is not true about the International Monetary Fund? The IMF was established along the World Bank. The IMF is a result of Bretton Woods Conference. Kristalina Georgieva is the current CEO of the IMF. Currently, 193 countries are the members of IMF. Which of the statement is not true? Correct answer is option D. The IMF was created in 1945. This was correct. IMF is an organization of 189 countries, not 193 countries, and they are working to foster global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote high employment and sustainable economic growth, and reduce the poverty around the world. The second is, when was IMF established? December 27, 1945, January 30th, 1947, January 1st, 1946, September 24th, 1947. This we should know. The correct answer is option A. The IMF was conceived at the UN conference in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, United States in July 1944, and its formation took place at December 27, 1945. Which of the following statements is not correct regarding the membership of the IMF? Currently, its membership is 189. All the member countries of the IMF are members of the United Nations. All the member countries of the IMF are not sovereign states. Nauru is the latest member of IMF. Correct answer is option B. All member countries of the IMF are not sovereign states. Therefore, all the member countries of IMF are not members of the United Nations. The value of special drawing rights is determined by the basket of dash currencies. How many currencies? 4, 5, 6 or 7? Correct answer is option B. There are 5 currencies for determining the value of the special drawing rights. It is determined by the basket of 5 currencies. The currencies are US dollar, Japanese yen, British pound, Chinese yuan and euro. Which of the following currency has largest weightage in the determination of the value of SDR? Japanese yen, euro, US dollar, pound sterling. Correct answer is option C. The IMF decided that Chinese yuan would be added to SDR basket since October 1, 2016, and since then SDR basket consists of the following 5 currencies. US dollar stand at 41.73%. सबसे ज़्यादा weightage किसका है? US dollar का. So the correct answer is option C. So largest weightage है US dollar का. The euro has 30.93% weightage. The Chinese yuan has 10.92% weightage. Japanese yen has 8.33% weightage, and the least is pound. British pound 8.09%. Which of the following is not the objective of the IMF? To promote international monetary cooperation, to ensure balanced international trade, to ensure exchange rate stability, to provide loans to the private sectors. The correct answer is option D. Allotment of the loan to the private sector is not covered under the objectives of IMF. An international finance corporation is responsible to provide loans to the private sector. International Finance Corporation provide करता है private sectors को loans, not the IMF. Which of the following statement is not correct about the quota at the IMF? Voting power in the IMF is based on a quota system. USA has the highest quota in the IMF. Germany has the third highest quota in the IMF. And Indian quota in the IMF stands at 2.79% of the total quota. Correct answer is option C, which was Germany has the third highest quota in the IMF. No, it doesn't have the third highest quota. It has the fourth position, having the quota of 5.67%. And China is the third highest quota in the IMF. The present Chinese share in the IMF quota is 6.49%, which means Indian quota of the IMF stands at 2.79%. This is correct. USA has the highest quota. This is also correct. And the voting power in the IMF is based on the quota system. This is also correct. If the balance of payment of a country is adverse, then which institution will help that country? World Bank, World Trade Organization, the International Monetary Fund, Asian Development Bank. Correct answer is option C. IMF help करेगा अगर IMF अगर balance of payment situation खराब है तो IMF helps in correcting the balance of payment of the member countries, and another goal is to ensure exchange rate stability. Which of the following currency is not included in the calculation of SDR value, which is special drawing right value? Yen, yuan, rupee, pound sterling. This is very easy. Correct answer is option C. Rupee नहीं calculate होता है. In determining the IMF basket, rupee's value is not included. Next question is, which of the following is known as the paper gold? US dollar, pound, demand draft, special drawing right. The correct answer is option D. Special drawing right is known as the paper gold. The value of SDR is based on the basket of key international currencies reviewed by IMF every 5 years. And SDR was introduced in 1969 by the IMF to resolve the problem of international liquidity. So this was all about the lecture. I hope you liked it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you need the PDF to this lecture, you can get it on our Telegram channel, which is Simplifying UPSC with Ease. Thank you.